Okay, so this afternoon I went to the mall with Webkinz Fan 91, my sister, and we stopped at Justice, and she wasn't going to buy it for me, but I just fell in love with this Pomeranian. He's so cute, because I just looked at it and I was like immediately in love with it, and so when she saw that everything was in the store was 40% off, I made her buy it for me. So he's just so cute. I decided to name him Oxer. I don't know, it's so odd, but it just popped into my head. So his name is Oxer, and here's his code. Oh gosh. And his butt tag. And his golden W. And this is really exciting for me because I have never had a signature Webkinz before. So I'm very, very happy, and he is just so cute. So yeah, I'm very excited because he's so adorable. And this is my first signature Webkinz, and it was going to be the endangered Bengal tiger, but I got this first, so I'm very happy because he's so cute. So this is Oxer, and that's all. Bye.